Woo!
Check out my glove.
Nice glove, Matt.
Thanks.
Playing basketball or baseball, though.
It's your glove. You left-handed?
It's the San Mateo Costigans backyard. Jenna and her Barbie Mustang.
No, I'm serious. I want.
What's that? Is that your battery?
I have to.
It's Wayne. It's a baseball game today. And the jacuzzi hot tub.
Change your shirt, man. You wearing like a dirty shirt from like 2 days ago?
No. I sleep in this shirt.
No, you do?
Matt Costigan, Esquire. Jenna and Matt are twins. They're wearing the same color t-shirt. It's their patio area.
Matt, you gotta wipe off your feet.
I did. Where do I wipe them off?
On the ground.
Like right here? Oh, God. Oh, God.
Just to show you everything.
Here?
And more pretty foliage. Did a lot of landscaping work last year. The neighbors next door own a bulldog and a bakery. Topiaries, and the roses are blooming today. Right here.
What? I'm back.
Dude, I listen to that.
This is Jenna's lemonade stand. She sold lemonade yesterday and made. How much money did you make yesterday, Jenna? You made $8 plus $5, right? She made $13. It's her lemonade stand. The car isn't.
Oh! Good hit. Rounding first. Rounding second. Rounding first. It's the play at home. Let's go. Dive in, homeboy. I dare you. Play home. You got greedy. You got to make him.
Yeah.
Could have made a play.